What's going on YouTube? Adam here. We're back with a new food review. So Pizza Hut came out with Pizza Hut Melts, and this came out like maybe a week or two ago. So I'm like freaking late. But your boy was wanting a little something different. I don't eat Pizza Hut a lot. I don't. But your boy got the pepperoni melt. Hell yeah. Check that out. Honestly, it looks like they gave me just two slices, but it looks like a quesadilla, brother. What is going on here? All right, I'm at a weird angle right now, right? Check it out. Let's see. Okay, okay. So it looks like a, a slice of pizza, folded in half. Okay. So we got the pepperoni, some cheese action, hella garlic parmesan cheese. Feels like a quesadilla. Got some crunch action. Can you hear that? I'm using a new mic. Let me know what you guys think. All right, let's get a food review going on here. All right, let's check it out. Let's check it out. Okay, right off the back, my review might be invalid because I think they forgot something. The marinara. There's no marinara in this thing. It's straight cheese, pepperoni, and dough. Okay, okay. No marinara. Pizza Hut. Pizza Hut. Please tell me I don't have to order marinara on the side for my damn melt that has no marinara in it. Or tell me they forgot. Because not going to be good with the rating, man. All right. The Parmesan on top, pretty solid. Don't mind it. Um, Pepperoni, nice and cool. Simple. Cheese. The mozzarella, great. But the marinara, it connects the pizza and it's not happening. I don't got marinara, bro. I'm kind of mad. I think with the marinara it would be good. But since I don't have marinara, I'm giving it a 3 out of 10. I don't like it now. I don't like it. There's no marinara. It's um I feel like I should be dipping this in some marinara. I don't got it. Or else I'm just eating a damn bread with cheese and pepperoni. That's it. 3 out of 10. Damn it, Pizza Hut. You know what? I got one thing because my buddy said that he liked the wings from Pizza Hut. So I got me a 8 count. Let's try them out. These are buffalo medium. There you go. Oh, look at the little gloss action. The wings are better than the pizza, I'll tell you that. I want to like the pizza, but I can't. The wings they're decent. I don't know, like right when I was gonna take a bite, like vinegar like just went straight down my damn pipes. Pause. And just like you know? Guys, thank you for all the new subscribers. Thank you for the people sticking around with your boy. I'm not in my car right now. It's late. I don't got no light back there. But quick review, it was a fail. They didn't give me marinara, or I was supposed to order it, one or the other. Guys, you know what time it is. I'll see you guys when I see you guys.